Right, it's breakfast time. Let's go out and get some breakfast. It's a wee bit foggy. Nice breakfast. Now we take the 26-kilometer drive south to Lake Vergoritida. So the lake is 12.5 kilometers from its longest point and is 5.5 kilometers wide at its widest point, with a maximum depth of 75 meters. The lake is at an elevation of 540 meters, and at 54.3 square kilometers it is the largest natural lake in northern Greece. I hope you can hear me because of the wind, but there's a really cool platform, like a floating dock on the side of the lake, and we're going to attempt to walk across it. It's quite windy, so it is bobbing up and down, but it should be a bit of fun. Whoa, it's really bumping up and down. It's pretty wobbly, this place. I've come to the end of one of these jetties and it is really, really wobbly. Whoa, whoa. Next, we take the 37-kilometer drive northeast to Edessa. We are now in Edessa, where we are going to visit a reptile museum and also see some beautiful waterfalls. This little river here is going towards the waterfall. It is super cold and it is flowing really, really fast, so it's very dangerous. Hence why they've got a lot of these guards along here, so people don't fall in. Down, down, down. Here we see the cave of the waterfalls, where due to a process of perennialization, the actual waterfalls are creeping forward as new rocks and caves are formed. The cool thing about this place is There's a path so you can walk behind the waterfall. Right, now Anna and I are going to go down where the spray is. Let's go see some reptiles now. Wow, there's so many cool reptiles in here. Snakes, terrapins, tortoises. I'm sorry my voice is going a little bit. I think I must have got a cold since yesterday, so every now and again I go, oh, got to say it higher. What is wrong with your voice? So here's a strip where you can buy all sorts of souvenirs and things. Soaps, fridge magnets, etc. Basically loads of old tat. Information centre where you can buy the Edessa City card. So the Edessa card gets you discounts, it gets you free parking, also gets you free entry to see all the lizards and reptiles that we saw before. Right, we're just visiting a taverna on our way back home. My voice is almost shot, so I'm going to end the video here. But thank you very much for watching. If you did like what you saw, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. It would mean a lot to us. But for now, take care, much love, see you next time.